Hey there, and welcome back. Today we're diving into how Level 2 makes it a breeze to copy the strategies of successful traders in real time automatically. Why reinvent the wheel when you can replicate the success of successful traders? Okay, let's get you started quickly by copying a successful strategy from the get-go. First things first, from the main page, browse through our list of top trending strategies. Check out the performance stats, and when you see one you like, hit View to get a closer look at how it's built. Found the perfect strategy? Great. Just click the copy option. This will load the strategy onto the canvas where you can see how it works in our simple visual format and then tweak it to fit your style. Once you're happy with your adjustments, run the backtest to make sure everything is in tip-top shape, just like we covered in our previous video. Got a successful strategy you crafted before and want to reuse? No problem. Let's walk through copying one of your own strategies. You've got two options. If you're on the canvas, head to the Copy Strategy option. Browse your personal list of strategies and select the one you want to implement instantly. Or, if you're already in the backtest report, you can quickly copy a previously created strategy using the same Copy Strategy option here. Remember, after copying and making any edits, run the backtest process again to refresh your results since performance might have changed. We hope this guide was straightforward and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need tech support, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Happy trading!